solar, if you have space on your roof, go for it. It's totally worth it. Solar does two things. It extends the battery life. It also extends the runtime of electronics and appliances. Provides that extra battery capacity so you can run electronics and appliances longer. The other concern with solar panel is drilling. You don't need to drill holes with Xantrex Solar Max panels. It's peel and stick panel. Very easy to install and very effective. It also performs exceptionally well in shaded and low light conditions. So if you have space on your roof, don't think, go for solar. It's totally worth it.